Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Discord update failed error message. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So to fix this, you first need head over to your Start menu and search for Task Manager. And from the Manager window, you need to come over the search box and type in Discord. Then we're going to right-click on the Discord application and select End Task. Now, once you've shut down all of the Discord applications inside of the processes, we can close out of this window and then head back over to the Start menu and search for Run. From the search box, you need to type in Sent Local App Data % and hit Enter. Then scroll all the way down until you find the Discord folder and double-click on this. And right at the bottom, you'll see this file called Update. So all we're going to do is rename this file by typing in space repair at the end of Update and hit Enter. Once you've done that, you then need to click on App Data in the folder at top, select Roaming, and once again scroll down until you find the Discord folder and select it. Then click on the Cache folder, select Cache Data, and inside of here you need to delete all of these files. So we're just going to press Ctrl-A on the keyboard, select everything, right-click, and press the trash icon. And once you've deleted all of the cache, you can then try reopening the Discord application and checking to see if that's now working. If that's still not working, what you'll need to do is head back over the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and click on it like so. From the left-hand side, select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and then you just need to turn off the Windows Defender Firewall both in private network settings and also public network settings, and then press OK. Once you've turned this off, once again head back over to the Discord application and check to see if that's now working. If that still hasn't fixed it, the final thing we can do is head over to the Start menu, search for Settings, and click on the Settings window. From left-hand side, select Apps, click on Installed Apps, and from your list of applications, just locate Discord, then select the 3 horizontal dots next to it and press Uninstall, and go ahead uninstall it from your computer. You then need to head over the Start menu on your computer and search for Microsoft Store. And using the search box, type in Discord, find and select the Discord app, and then go ahead and reinstall it back to your PC. And once you've done that, that should have now fixed any updating issues you were experiencing. So that's basically how you can fix the Discord update failed error message. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.